Hello people, this is Ted from American Rifle. I've got the Coup de Grâce bolt action and I'd like to tell you how to remove the extractor and how to reinstall it. So to do that, we start by opening the bolt and removing it from the receiver. And now we're going to remove the striker assembly from within the bolt by pushing this little button at the back of the bolt assembly. We're going to push that in and we're going to grab the bolt shroud and we're going to rotate it clockwise. Since this is a right-handed bolt, you would do the opposite for a left-handed bolt. So I'm going to rotate it clockwise and it's going to pop out just like that. I'm going to remove it and then I can use the tip of the firing pin to push the bolt head pin out, although that time it just fell out. They come right out, so probably the same thing will happen to you. And then now I'm going to take the tip of the firing pin and I'm going to pry the spring out of the bolt head, just like that. Make sure you don't lose it when you do that. And then just tap it on the table to drop a little pin out of there, and tap it again to drop the extractor out. Now to reassemble, all you do is basically the reverse. You're going to take the extractor, tuck it into the bolt head, and then drop the pin into that recess right there, let it fall into the bolt head up against the extractor, and then take the spring, stick it in behind the pin, and then you're just going to push it forward and down with your thumbnail, get it in there just like that. Now you're going to insert the bolt head into the bolt. Make sure the extractor is on the bolt handle side. All right, stick the bolt head pin back into the bolt. Make sure that this index mark is lined up approximately with the long axis of the bolt. And then you're going to take the striker assembly, reinsert it into the bolt assembly. And now over here you have to look closely. There's a little mark that we machine into the back of the bolt. You're going to line the cocking piece up with that, and you're going to push them together. And again, this is a right-handed bolt, so for reassembly, I'm going to rotate the bolt shroud counterclockwise with respect to the bolt. And when I do so, you'll see the bolt shroud locking pin pop out, just like that. And now the bolt shroud is properly secured to the bolt. And then I can just take these now and take the bolt now and just reinsert it into the receiver. I'm fumbling around a little bit with it. And there you have it. So that is how to remove the extractor and reinstall it on the Coup de Grâce bolt action. This is Ted, American Rifle Company. It's the Coup de Grâce best action on planet Earth. Buy it, it'll make you happy. Hope you enjoyed it.